Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is hopefully the last one on math and Corel Draw, but this will be very helpful for me, and I just kind of figured this out tonight for myself. A lot of times when I'm making a void space up here, I'm going to rotate it to whatever my liking or whatever my size I'm going to put up here. But then I have to make a duplicate of that and rotate it the opposite side. So I have to get out a calculator and take 360 minus that. Well, your rotation's on the bottom. You can do two things. You can do this and then click on that and have it go to the center. And I evidently didn't make a duplicate, so Control D, make a duplicate, and then grab that object and have it click to that item, or you can use math. So Control D, click on our item. Let's just make sure we got it. We did. Now right here, just before the 43.2 degrees, you can type in 360 minus, and there's your equal amount. It's 316.57 degrees. And then you can use your Smart Fill tool to make that void, to make an envelope tool or whatever you want to do. But that is one more way to use math inside of Corel Draw. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.